Okay, these are the Kind Nature flush-free formula. They're vitamin 3 gummies. So let's read. You're supposed to take 3 gummies, so this is just a 1-month supply. And they're non-GMO, soy-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free. They are naturally flavored though, so if you're not about that, don't get these. But I can do a little taste test for you. I've not opened them yet, so open them. They're little squares. They smell really good though. Really chewy. But they taste good. Yeah, those are really good. So if you're looking for a vitamin B3, choose Kind Nature.